Everybody, it's me, RJ.
Holla.
And today we're going to show you how to adjust the carburetor on an old 83 Ford F250, 150. This is the 5.8, but it should be the same. This is a 2-barrel carburetor. I know you see it's a little off. We just bought this. We've been adjusting it back and forth. We had to add exhaust. It was not on there. It was then we had to adjust the timing, which we showed you the other day. It was way off. It sounded like this was worse. It wouldn't kick on. It was like, gang, gang, gang. This one here. So it's actually not that bad, okay? What you're gonna do, this right here, can you see that? Right there? Okay, that is the idle speed adjustment screw, which actually adjusts the throttle. So let me show you what happens. Almost lost it. When I tighten it, I probably need a bigger screwdriver for this part. But it's gonna adjust the idle speed, okay? Slightly speeding up, okay? I don't need to do that. I just want to show you. I should use the bigger screwdriver for here. Does it sound better? And we'll leave that. Now what you got for the idle air mixture, one screw here. You see that under there? This nipple right here. There's that. And I think that's the vacuum. That's the vacuum, so we need to cover that. I'm going to go get a vacuum cap, and I'm going to cover that line, that little nipple right there. I could have swore I put one on there, but I guess it came off. Alright, everybody. So I got this multi-pack of vacuum caps I'm going to go with. These, they kind of got mixed up. This is the smallest one. It should be good. So actually, just putting this on might make it sound a little better, just because there's a little vacuum right there. So, this, hear it? Slightly. Alright. So what you got here, it's actually sounding okay now after I idled up. But what you're going to do is this screw, show them this one over here, this screw right there. So the easiest way, take a small screwdriver. You need it small because the screw cap is in your way. Okay? You're going to go all the way in. But when you go all the way in, I mean lightly all the way in. Don't tighten them down to this little float, like sensitive needles that allow the air fuel mixture change. And then what I do is I go all the way in, and then I back them like this. I go half turn, half turn, half turn, which would be 1.5 turns. Usually that'll get the car to start and stay on. If not, those first you'll stall. If not, go a whole half